Get in there. Enjoy easy and safe parking with the parking systems in your BMW with operating system 8. Depending on optional equipment, you get support for parking, manoeuvring or driving in reverse. Sensors and different camera views keep you safe and help your orientation. Automatic parking in or out and manoeuvring, even with remote control, support you in getting your BMW where you want it. Watch out! First, let's take a look at the parking menu and camera views. Simply press the parking button in the center console to enter the parking menu on the control display. Shifting to reverse automatically opens the parking view. Everything in sight. The control display shows you the camera image of your BMW's exterior cameras. Switch views with the toolbar on the left. Select Parking View for the actual camera images or views of the park distance control overlaid by graphic assistance information. Tap the camera icons to change perspective. Panorama View shows you a wider camera view across the central image for better traffic overview. Depending on selected gear, the panorama view follows accordingly. Select More to get more. 3D View for a three-dimensional display of your vehicle and the surroundings. Trailer Coupling View zooms in on your tow hitch for easier trailer connection. Car Wash View shows you your own lane in the exterior camera image for easier driving into the car wash. Select Camera Cleaning to activate the camera washing system individually for the front, rear, or both. Under Settings, you can adjust and activate several parking functions. The right toolbar of the Parking Assistance menu shows you additional details like the status of the parking assistance systems. The parking assistance functions are also shown in the instrument cluster. Check the system status, the assisted parking view and the selection menu for the currently suggested parking option. Relax and enjoy hands-free manoeuvring. The Parking Manoeuvre Assistant can park your car automatically for you. The system can take over accelerating, braking and steering to maneuver in and out of parallel and perpendicular parking spaces. Always ready. When you drive past parked vehicles at low speed, the system is scanning for parking spaces. An icon shows the system status on the control display and in the instrument cluster. Parking spaces are recognized when you have passed them completely. Select Assist View for a stylized display of the vehicle top view with the surrounding parking situation in scale. Check out the suggested parking spaces and maneuvers on the display. Choose one by clicking on the control display or using the knurled wheel on the steering wheel to select on the instrument cluster. Follow the displayed instructions. While the car moves, you can slow down with a brake. Use your voice. You can also activate the parking assistant with your BMW Intelligent Personal Assistant.
Hey BMW, start Parking Assistant.
Use the parking assistant also to drive automatically out of a parking space. After switching on Drive Readiness, press the Parking Assistant button or Shift to R and use the assistant to park out, just as for parking in. Go through your motions, saving and recalling different manoeuvring paths with the automatic Manoeuvre Assistant included in the optional equipment Parking Assistant Professional. You can save up to 10 manoeuvres, with a combined distance of up to 600 meters and a maximum of 200 meters for a single recording. When you reach your destination, press the parking button on the center console and click Record New Path. Start driving slowly with a maximum of 20 kilometers per hour. The system records your driving path with all cameras and sensors. As soon as you finish the maneuver, save the recording and name it, either by typing in an individual name or by choosing one of the suggestions, like office for example. The next time you reach the same location, the system suggests to start the manoeuvre. Press Start, and your car will execute the manoeuvre all by itself with a speed of about 4 km per hour due to safety reasons. The system allows a deviation of around 30 centimeters from the recorded path, in case there is an obstacle in the way and enough space to move around it. Otherwise, the system stops the manoeuvre automatically. Different standpoint. You don't even have to stay in the car. With remote control parking for the BMW Automatic Manoeuvring Assistant, you can park your BMW standing outside using the My BMW app on your iPhone. To do so, a BMW Digital Key Plus needs to be active on your iPhone. Check out our other how-to video about creating and sharing a BMW Digital Key Plus. Also, make sure Bluetooth is activated. Select a parking manoeuvre on the control display or remotely using the My BMW app to start the automatic parking assistant. Tight spot. To continue with remote control parking, for example into narrow parking spots, push the brake. Engage the parking brake. Click Parking with My BMW app and get out of the vehicle. Open the My BMW app and click on Remote Control Parking. Here you can also select your parking manoeuvre and the parking direction. Safety first. As a confirmation you are using the remote control voluntarily, tilt your phone forth and back to move the slider exactly into the displayed targets. Ready? Press and hold the blue parking button. Your BMW starts manoeuvring into the selected parking space. Watch out! Make sure to watch the parking manoeuvre at all times close to the vehicle. In top view, you get more info from the parking assistance sensors. As soon as you let go of the blue button, the car stops. Press and hold again to resume. The app tells you when the car has reached its final parking position. Tap Finish, switch the car off, and lock it. You can also select a recorded path of the automatic manoeuvring assistant in the remote parking menu if your car is in the relevant starting location. Or with manual mode, you can park remotely, straight, forwards or backwards. If you have parked out remotely, leave the car running to get in. Safe travels! Continue watching our how-to series to get the most out of your BMW.